हमारी माँ हमारी गुरु। लोग देवी की पूजा करते हैं, आवाहन करते हैं, स्थापना करते हैं, पर हमारा सौभाग्य तो देखिए कि हमारी माँ के रूप में साक्षात देवी का ही आवाहन हो गया। 66 साल पहले देवी का साक्षात रूप पधारा, जैसे कि ये हमारे लिए ही आई हों। और देखिए, इस बार ऑब्वियस साइन है कि नवरात्रि का 9th डे और आपका जन्म का शुभ दिन एक ही दिन आया है। वो माता दुर्गा, सरस्वती और लक्ष्मी का ही तो स्वरूप है। माता दुर्गा की शक्ति, ऊर्जा, माता लक्ष्मी की श्री, कोमलता, सौम्यता और माँ सरस्वती का ज्ञान से सदा हमको सबको पोषित किया है। माँ, आप हो तो हम सब पूर्ण हैं। आपसे ही जन्मे हैं और आपसे ही हमारा अस्तित्व है। आपसे ही हम सुरक्षित हैं। हमारी हस्ती है, आपसे हमारा सुख है, आपसे हमारी शांति है। आपके होने से हम निश्चिंत हैं। आपसे हमारा प्रगति का मार्ग रोशन होता है। एक रीढ़ की हड्डी की तरह हम सबका सहारा हो, बिना कहे बिना देखे एक रीढ़ की हड्डी की तरह हमें she gives us endless support, endless strength and the courage to walk straight in the right direction. Unconditionally ही आपने हम सब के बारे में सोच कर दिया ही दिया है। सदा अपना कर्तव्य निभाया है। सच इस कथन का आज हमें पूर्णता से आभास हुआ है कि भगवान धरती पर स्वयं न हो, आपके ही आशीर्वाद से हमें मुक्ति की प्राप्ति होगी। आपके ही आशीर्वाद से हमें मुक्ति की प्राप्ति होगी। Written by Richa, narrated, recited by Ashish for our mother Shashi Bagrodia, whom we all can never stop feeling love, and this is that kind of Rinanu Bandhan which will take several years, several lifetimes. This is a kind of karmic debt which we will have to carry on and on and on. Such great is our mother's love, concern for us. It's painful. It's so painful that she gave birth after a gap of almost 12 years or 11 years to an angel, and that angel had to leave for some important work probably. A mother can understand this, not us. As a brother, I have my own grief. The intensity is unbearable at times. So I can imagine what she goes through, though she is strong, and I'm happy and proud to say that she acknowledged the fact that her daughter was no ordinary soul. Her daughter is no ordinary soul. Her daughter is no ordinary soul. Richa, I don't really consider you. I mean, there are two parts. One is the relationship of a younger, dear, loving sister. The other is you are not less than any of these spiritual teachers I have met. Just like you have said for our mother that we don't know whether God is going to be here or not, but our salvation is guaranteed by your blessings. So I feel my salvation or no salvation, but I feel now I need not pray to God, as you are the prayer itself, and you shall look after me, you are looking after me, but your physical presence in your gross form, that was very, very, very important. Now, to relate to you in your new form, the subtle form, I find it extremely difficult. Who knows what will happen? Let's hope we meet and stay together with good health, both of us. Once again, brother, sister, and have fun. There's a lot which we need to do together. See you soon in your subtle form. You're desperate, helpless, miserable. What words to express? So better to keep quiet. See you soon, Ashish.